Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2026 Audi Q6. Audi is taking luxury, performance, and innovation to the next level with the 2026 Audi Q6. Positioned between the Q5 and Q7, the Q6 showcases Audi's commitment to advanced technology and a greener future. Exterior, stylish and futuristic. Bold front design. Features Audi's new single-frame grille and sleek matrix LED headlights. Streamlined shape, aerodynamic lines, and flush door handles improve looks and efficiency. Dynamic wheels, available in 20 and 21-inch alloy designs. Modern lighting, a connected LED strip at the back adds a high-tech touch. Interior, luxury and smart tech. Spacious comfort, roomy enough for 5 passengers, designed for maximum relaxation. High-quality materials include soft-touch finishes, eco-friendly leathers, and real wood or aluminum trims. Dual screens, a 14.6-inch central touchscreen and 12.3-inch digital driver display for easy control. Voice assistant, an AI system helps with driving and infotainment tasks. Mood lighting, customizable ambient lighting with 30 color options. Performance, power, and efficiency. Electric variant. The Q6 e-tron offers up to 400 miles of driving range. Other options includes powerful TFSI engines and fuel-saving hybrid models. Quattro AWD provides excellent traction and stability in any conditions. Adaptive suspension adjusts for comfort or sportiness as needed. Technology, smart and innovative. AR heads-up display, project navigation, and key info onto the windshield. Driver assistance includes adaptive cruise control, traffic jam assist, and lane keeping systems. Automatic updates. Over-the-air software keeps the car up to date. Eco-friendly focus uses recyclable battery packs and sustainable materials. Safety, advanced protection, collision prevention. Audi Pre-Sense system detects and prevents accidents. 360 degrees camera gives a full view for easy parking and maneuvering. Reinforced body, built to meet the highest safety standards worldwide. Pricing and availability. Starting price, around $55,000 for standard models and $65,000 for the e-tron version. Release date, expected to be in dealerships by late 2025, with deliveries starting early 2026. Conclusion. The 2026 Audi Q6 combines luxury, performance, and eco-friendly innovation into one premium SUV. Its modern design, advanced technology, and powerful options make it a standout in the luxury SUV market. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.